Before I get into the Kadena analysis chart, I do want to have a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king and Bitcoin has been the leader. Now we know, guys, that every time Bitcoin goes up, altcoins will go up, and vice versa. When Bitcoin goes down, altcoins will go down. So this is why I like to start my videos with Bitcoin. If you guys saw my video yesterday, Bitcoin was dumping, and what happened to the altcoins? The whole market was in red. Now the opposite is happening. The whole altcoin market right now is in green. Why? Because Bitcoin's a little bit in green. It doesn't matter if Bitcoin's bumping 0.1% or 30%. If Bitcoin pumps, altcoins will pump automatically. That's how it is, and that's how it always will be. Why? I don't know. But let's have a look at Bitcoin real quick. By the way, guys, if you guys like these daily cryptocurrency videos, don't forget to smash that like, hit the subscribe button, and turn the notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. It will really mean a lot to me. So diving into Bitcoin, what can we see? Just a quick analysis. We can see right here that Bitcoin clearly got rejected at the exponential moving average on the weekly time frame. Yes, doubly weekly time frame. That's obviously a very, very big time frame. Now, if we open the 200 moving average, we could see the same thing. Bitcoin at the 200 moving average getting rejected. Now, the big thing is that Bitcoin has never gone rejected at the 200 moving average on the weekly time frame. The reason why is because Bitcoin has never been below it. Now, we know every time we're above it, we're bullish, right? I mean, this was just bullish. And every time we're below it, we're bearish. I mean, look at that. We came back, retested, and then boom, retested. But we're going to have to see if Bitcoin can potentially close above the 200 moving average on the weekly time frame. Now, the weekly time frame does close in 12 hours and 5 seconds. So we got half a day left to see where this can potentially go. Having a look at KDA with a $250 million market cap, ranked 146. We got 294,000 people on the watch list, so almost 300k. Congratulations, that's very, very amazing. The negative thing about VR that I don't like, volume is low. Volume is low. It's up 2%. Volume is only $5 million. That is nothing. Down 30% in the past 24 hours. Now, the market cap of Kadena is $240 million. Why is only $5 million being traded? That is not a good sign, guys. I'm very, very bullish on KDA. I love the tech, proof of work, scalable, 400 TPS. I mean, yes, all these things are very nice, right? But $5 million is a little bit concerning, despite and the fact that the market cap is $250 million. Now, the volume to market cap ratio is only 2%. That is literally nothing. So this pump right now that we're seeing is clearly, obviously not good. I mean, up 2%, not really the best sign. But I would love to see more volume coming from VRA. Yes, I would love to see in the 20, even $30 million, $5 million up, down 30%. That is very, very, very disappointing. Having a look at some of the charts right here, we can see that KDA clearly has a double top right here. This is a double top, boom. And the question is will we break the neckline? Because if we do break this neckline, we're clearly going to see some more downwards action, and we're clearly going to come back and retest 78 cents in my honest opinion, because we know double tops are usually bearish, and usually when they break the neckline, it's usually a continuation to the downside. That's done on the weekly time frame. Things are not looking so great. On the daily time frame, we can see that the same thing is kind of happening. I mean, this is just a clear chart. This is an M pattern, double top pattern, whatever you want to call it. And we're clearly nearing that support region. Now, if we do get a double bottom right here, double pattern, then yes, that would be an active double pattern if we essentially come back up and get rejected at this level right here, sitting at $1.04. And of course, guys, this would be the neckline. So we would be in a double top, double bottom situation. And whatever happens first will really dictate where VR is going. If we break this level right here, that's obviously going to be an uptrend to the upside. And if we break this level, that's clearly going to be a downtrend to the downside. So we're really going to have to see where VRA goes. Let me put some price targets for you guys. This would be 78 cents right here. And of course, the second would be 1.042. So if we break this level, we're most likely going to come back down and retest 78 cents, but we're gonna have to see what happens. Let's have a look at some of the moving technical analysis, moving average, to see what's happening. Now, obviously they're not going to work as well as Bitcoin, but we could see right here that when we did break above it, we came back, retested, then bounced above it, came back, retested, bounced up, and then came back right here, bounced back up before, of course, officially coming back down. We can see right here that Kadena really has never been above the exponential moving average since right here, since April 11, 2022. I mean, we entered this crazy bear market, and we haven't really successfully closed above or even experienced that $2, $3 region or that 55 exponential moving average. I would really love to see a retest. I would like to see a lot of volume. We could see right here that on the weekly time frame, the volume is increasing little by little, but that doesn't mean so much since, you know, the volume right now is currently decreasing, and things aren't really doing so well right now for KDA. Overall, we're gonna have to see where KDA goes. I mean, right here we had a lot of 4-hourly candle, you know, just in a downtrend. I mean, since the 23rd of February, for 3 straight days, we were just trending down, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13 red candles in a row. And of course, we're gonna, you know, it's gonna be due for a rebound. I'm assuming KDA is gonna come back down and or come back up and retest $1.16 in my opinion, either before coming back down or breaking up. I think we're going to retest that level before coming back down. We're going to have to see. And of course, we're going to have to see and monitor what Bitcoin does this week, because if Bitcoin continues dumping, we're most likely going to see KDA continuing to dump, and we're most likely going to see all the altcoins continuing to dump. So it's obviously not going to be the best news, right? At the end of the day, people need to stop panicking, because a lot of people are calling these altcoin scams, and they're jumping. They're like, why is this coin going up and KDA is not and VRA is not? Guys, Bitcoin controls most of the market. You need to understand that. Yes, at the end of the day, you're getting into KDA. Why? Because 1, it's low market cap. 2, the tech is great. Proof of work, scalable, can change the world. Yes, you believe in the tech. But at the end of the day, we're all here to make gains, right? At the same time, we don't just invest because we like the tech. At the end of the day, we invest also because we want to make money in the long term, and we know that this potential project can really change everything in the ecosystem, right? So this is why we invest. So we're gonna have to be a little bit patient. We're still in a bear market, in my opinion. We're gonna have to see what Bitcoin does, and if Bitcoin can reclimb or retest that 200 moving average. But as of right now, things are not looking so great. And honestly, that's about it. So if you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.